Good morning folks, it's Peter from Snow's CUPRA Portsmouth, and I'm delighted to be able to show you the very latest Ateca CUPRA. That's the new facelifted model that's now just arrived off the transporter this morning. So let's take a look. So we can see that we've had a completely revamped front end on the vehicle. It's got a much deeper front bumper, which gives a more narrowed and aggressive look to those headlights, and also gives a more attractive look to that lower detailing on those valances. So come around the side, we've got an all new style alloy wheel on this, with the sort of satin finish blacked alloys or grey alloys, however you want to look at that. And again we've got the CUPRA badging there again on the front calipers. Let's come out for that side profile look. This one's in the silver. Really does look awesome. We've got the slightly darker grey wing mirror casings, and also you've got that same detailing that runs along the bottom of the sill. Those wheels do look lovely. Coming round to the back of the car, and again you can see here, look, they've carried on with that detailing of the grey there, and of course you've got your blacked out 4 pipes on the back. Got the new style indicators, and again coming round to the money shot, as I call it, for the car. So as I say, facelifted model, so changes to the front and the back, but also we've had some changes on the inside. So you can see here, look, we've got that new style steering wheel going through to new infotainment system, and again with that DSG box and the new detailing there on the drive profile. We've got the slightly smaller now USB ports. Still got things like your wireless phone charging. Still got things like your climate controlled aircon. But again, what we've got here is we've got the newer styling for the dash and the controls as well. I like some of the detailing here on the gauges, look, in the copper. That's nice, that, I like that. And again you can see it over on this side as well. Again you've got this detailing, there we go, detailing there on the steering wheel. I mean, that's an awesome steering wheel, that is. Look at that copper stitching around the full leather. And again we've got this darker grey finish just to tie in nicely the external features of the car. Right, this car's obviously pre-PDI'd, so again the infotainment system may not be completely set up, but again when it powers up you can see there you've got the copper badge that comes up on the dash. That's quite a nice touch. And then again you've got your new visual displays on here as well. So currently as we go through, just want to pull that off for the minute, there we go, what have we got on here? So just like with new Leon, it's this new styling of graphics, it's a bigger screen, it's a lot more informative, and with things like the navigation on it, all integral to the car as well. One thing that is no longer, I've spotted down here, you'll see there, look, there's no longer a CD player. That's long gone now as far as technology for us now. So we're into this newer system with the infotainment system. And again there you can see you can have your 3 screens. So we've covered this off before with some of our previous videos. But yeah, liking the paddles, the new style paddles on here. Yeah, really, really nice. Really nice. And of course one of the latest features, obviously it's got the SOS emergency call from the car as well. Alright. Seats. With regards to the seating, you can see there that copper stitching has followed through, and with regards to the seats, look at that, that's the new style CUPRA Ateca bucket seat. That to me just looks awesome. And in the back, you've got the leatherette on the back of it as well. So yeah, I'm mightily impressed with this interior. That just looks absolutely fantastic. So there you have it, the new facelifted Ateca CUPRA. What an awesome looking vehicle. Love the wheels, love the interior, absolutely fantastic. Obviously it's down here at Snow's CUPRA Portsmouth. It's going to be available for viewing, and ultimately in the not too distant future we'll be able to organise test drives. But for now, it's just giving you the earliest opportunity for me to show you this fantastic vehicle.